This lab is developed and designed to do advanced manufacturing in the area of additive manufacturing. We've got state-of-the-art 3D printers that are developed for polymers, ceramics, and metals. What you've got here is the ability to test the raw material used, the ability to produce the parts, the ability to test the finished parts. From this lab, we produced parameter set development that has gone out into production for hips and elbows, knees and shoulders.
Something that's very neat is that we have a bunch of procedures that were written here. Equipment like these metal 3D printers is pretty rare to find. For example, we have this plier that has 5 different parts in it, so you can press it and it'll actually contract and you can grip something with. In the future, when we're in space and we need to print, something breaks on your rocket, some really complex mechanism, and maybe you might not have someone who knows how to design that piece or make that piece. You might not have the means to make that piece. As long as you have something like the future version of this that's smaller, you just look for the file off the internet, you print it, and there you have that part. You just plop it in and you're good to go. I mean, that's just incredible.
The students are very creative, and they have the tools now to have the ability to come up with innovative new thoughts and innovative new design.
I think it's a real privilege to have students be able to operate it.
They can develop those designs. They have a creative direction. They can go after that direction and convert it from something that's a thought into something that's physically in their hands.